Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in the last class, we have discussed about the VideoScribe, that how you can add the text in VideoScribe, and now we are going to see some other options. So as you can see, here's the option for the like moving the whiteboard animation. If you want to move it, you can also do that. If you want to drop down, you can also do that. Like the left and right buttons are also provided. Now, if you want to zoom in or zoom out, you can also do that. I'm going to zoom out. You have to click on this, or if you want to zoom in, you can also do that. And here's the option for the fit screen. If you want to fit to a screen, you can also do that. Simply you have to click on this and it will be fit. Now here's another option, like I'm going to click on this, and now here's another option which is called add new chart. If you want to add another kind of chart, you can also do that. Simply you have to write the a label name here. For example, I'm going to write the June, and now I'm going to write the July, and this way. And now you have to insert the values. For example, you have to separate it with by adding you have to separate this by adding the comma, and after that you have to write the value. For example, I'm going to write the 10, and after that I'm going to write in the 40, and now you have to select the bar or pie, either line. For example, I'm going to select the line, and now you have to select some other options like the font style. For example, I'm going to selecting this one, inside or outside. You have to select these all options, and after that simply you have to click on the right, and all things will be inserted. As you can see, now it's inserted like July to June. And now if you want to decrease the size, you can also do that. You have to click on this and you have to drag this out, and now it's the size is decreased, and now you can move it anywhere. If you want to use another kind of chart, you can also do that. I'm going to click on this, and now I'm going to write the like the Feb, and after that I'm going to write the Jan, and now I'm going to write the value. For example, like I'm going to write the 30, and I'm going to write the 40, and after that I'm going to select the pi, and after that you have to select it. And for example, I want this one, and after that you have to right click on this, and the new shape will be inserted. As you can see, the new shape is inserted. If you want to decrease the size, you can also do that again. I'm going to decrease it, and now it's done. And if you want to decrease again, you can also do that. So in this way you can insert the chart as well. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can add the chart in VideoScribe. You just have to follow these steps, and after that you will be able to add the chart. So I hope you guys understand this video. So see you guys in the next video.